Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Fashion School, Day Shift. Dear student, today our topic is Chapter 10, CBQ 1 and 3 and lecture number 20, SW number 19. CBQ, that means competency based question. Dear student, look, CBQ number 1 chapter 10 and CBQ number 3. This is the CBQ number 3. Dear student, in your exam only CBQ and short question will come in your exam. Okay, there is no SW will come in your exam. Okay, so at first I will solve the question number 1, that means CBQ 1. Look, a football field is a rectangular in shape whose length of the longer side is 100 meter and width is 7000 centimeter. A number, convert the width of the field into meter. Find the area of the football field. C number, find the perimeter of the field. Okay, dear student, this is very easy question. Convert the width of the field into meter. You write, given that, write, given that the width of the rectangular field equal to what? 7000 centimeter. Now we want to convert this centimeter to meter. We know 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. We know 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. That means divide by 100 and you write here meter. 20 that means 70 meter. Okay, dear student, you give here clue 100 centimeter equal to what? 1 meter. Okay, that means 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, write the answer, 70 meter. Now you see the B number question. Find the area of the football field. We know area of the rectangular land is length into breadth. Length into breadth. And what is the unit? Unit is square unit. Unit means what? Suppose meter, centimeter, foot, like this way. Therefore, B number question right here. Given the area, given the length of the field, length of the field is how many? Length of the field is 100 meter. Right here 100 meter. And the width of the field, how many? 70 meter. Okay, therefore area of the rectangular field, area of the rectangular field this equal to what? Length into width. Length 100 and width 70. What is the unit? Is square meter. Right here Okay, now write the answer. Square meter. Now I'll solve the question number C. Find the perimeter of the field. Right, given the length of the field 100 meters and width of the field 70 meters. We know, therefore, perimeter of the rectangular field two into length plus width. Okay, perimeter of the rectangular field 2 into length plus width. Now put the value 2, length 100 plus width 70, write the unit meter. 170 meter. Okay, now write the answer. Answer 340 meter. I think that student, this is easy for you and you can understand. Now I'll solve the CBQ number 3. Look, a rectangular shape has a length 12 centimeter and breadth 8 centimeter. This is the stem. Now a number question, what is the area of the rectangular shape? Okay, write a number. What is the area of the rectangular shape? Right? Given the length of the shape, is 12 centimeter and breadth of the shape how many? 8 centimeters, right? Therefore, area of the rectangular shape equal to what? Length into breadth. Length into breadth, right? 12 into 8 equal to what? Square centimeter. Okay, write the answer. 96 square centimeter. Okay. Now I'll solve the question number B. You see the B number question. If sides of the rectangular shape is double, okay, right? Then what will be its area, right? If sides of the rectangular shape is double, if sides of the rectangular shape is double, If sides of the rectangular shape is double, then its length will be what? Double, that means 12 into 2, that means what? 24 centimeter. Okay? Look, if the sides of the rectangular shape is double, then its length will be 12 into 2, that means 24 centimeter. And its breadth will be double, that means what? 8 into 2, that means 16 centimeter. Okay? Therefore, new area of the rectangular shape equal to what? Length into breadth into breadth. Okay? Breadth, length 24 into 16 square centimeter. Now you have to multiply. Okay, dear student. Now write here 384 square centimeter. Okay? Dear student, I hope you understood. Now write the answer. You write the answer now. Answer 384 square centimeter. Okay, dear student. Now you see the question number C. You see the question. What I read the question. Okay. Look. What will be the total amount required for painting the whole rectangular region at the rate of 22.50 taka? Dear student, when we'll solve the question, you always see what is the stem. That means according to the stem, you have to solve the B number, C number question. You see, there is no relation between B number and C number. Okay? So, you have to solve the question number C using the stem. Okay? Using the stem. Right. Right now, C number. Right. From A we got area of the rectangular shape, right? Area of the rectangular shape, how many? 96 square centimeter. Okay? Area of the rectangular shape is area of the rectangular shape area of the rectangular shape 96 square centimeter. Right, for painting for painting for painting 1 square meter, for painting 1 square centimeter, what will be the cost? You see again the question, what will be the total amount? But that is, what will be the total cost required for painting the whole rectangular region? That means whole rectangular region means what? 96 square centimeter. if at the rate of 22.50, that means for painting 1 square meter, for painting 1 square centimeter, cost is, right, cost is what? 22.50 taka. Okay, now write. For painting 1 square centimeter, the cost is how much? 22.50 taka. 22.50 taka. Okay. Therefore, for painting for painting 96 square centimeter, the cost is what? 22.50 into what? 96. Dear student, you multiply yourself. Okay? You multiply yourself. 22.50 into 96. You multiply yourself. Okay? Dear student, I think you have multiplied yourself. After multiplying, you get 2160. Okay, 2160. Okay, you multiply. I hope your multiplying is finished. Okay, 202500. Okay, now write the answer here. 2160 taka. Okay, now write the answer. 2160 taka. Okay, write the answer. 2160 taka. Dear student, now you see our SW number 19, EMB book page 132. What problem? Question number 3, 4 and 5. Dear student, your assigned SW is very important for you, because on the basis of submission of your SW copy, you will get your city marks, SBA marks and diary marks. You have to submit all of your SW copies on every Sunday within 8 am to 4 pm, and you collect these SW copies on next Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can collect or submit these SW copies. Dear student, no more today, but remember, you have to keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay safe, stay well, see you again.